Welcome, today in front of me DOOGEE V20 and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So let's first open the Play Store app and here in search pool let's enter green Apple keyboard. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap here to open the app, click enable in settings and near green Apple keyboard click once on the switcher, tap to OK, again OK, and let's go back. After that, click switch input methods and switch your current keyboard to the English United States keyboard. After that, the process is finished and now let's go, for example, here into the search to see the look of our new device keyboard, and now we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone one as the all of these emojis. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.